Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYPE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So I want to map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above that pink line there, the very famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price gets up above it, ideally you want to see the price stay up above it. But in this situation, don't get me wrong, if the price does fall below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can manage to now stay up above that 200 period, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Taking a step back and looking at things from a bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full strength, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, that'd be great if the price could stay above that purple or the pink line. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Let's scrunch up the chart here a little bit. It's been quite a while since the price has been up this high. So battlegrounds going into tomorrow. Next key one looks to be right up there at the 18-cent mark. And then just in case this huge move continues, after 18 cents, next key one up there at 20 cents. So that makes it easy. 18, 20 cents, next two key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very powerful move today. Not just a question of whether or not the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.